Good morning students. So today we will discuss about the grammar portion of lesson 1, that is subject and predicate. First, read the sentences given below. The wind blew, the little boy and his mother sat down to have lunch. So, first thing, what is sentence? So, sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense. It means sentence is just some type of words are arranged in a particular manner to make a meaningful, to say a meaningful thing or anything. That type of arrangement of word is called as a sentences. A sentence always begins from capital letter and end with full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. So here is one sentence given, check it. That sentence is starting from, beginning from capital word and ending by that full stop. So that means it is a sentence and it makes a complete sense. That means that is a that arrangement is meaningful. That means it is a sentence. So every sentence contains of two parts. One is subject and second is predicate. So the subject, what is subject? Subject tells us whom or what the sentence is about. That means that sentence is about which thing or about which person or anything. That tells subject. A subject is a noun or a pronoun. So subject maybe it will be a noun or pronoun. It may be just one person, place, thing or animal. So subject प्लेस भी हो सकता है, पर्सन भी हो सकता है, किसी चीज का नाम भी हो सकता है या फिर एनिमल का नाम, और मोर देन वन पर्सन, या फिर ऐसे भी हो सकता है दैट ओनली वन पर्सन के अलावा दैट मीन्स मेनी पर्सन्स भी वहाँ पे आ सकते हैं. दैट इज ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग्स और एनिमल्स. सो द सब्जेक्ट मे बी सिंगुलर और प्लूरल. The next is a predicate. Predicate is the part that tells something about the subject. So predicate is a part that tells about the subject. Means in a sentence, which one is a subject, about whom that sentence is given below, given here, that little boy and his mother. That means that sentence is about little boy and his mother. So that two parts is a subject. So what that sentence is saying about that little boy and his mother sat down to have lunch means what they are doing. It is given in that sentence, so that part is called as a predicate. That means predicate is the part that tells something about the subject. That means that part is saying about that subject, so that is a predicate, and that one part is a subject. The predicate tells us about the subject's action. That means the predicate always tells about the action of the subject. That means what subject is doing or what is their activity, etc. So here is given clearly. Study the example given below. So that sentence is the wind blew. So here ये सेंटेंस किसके बारे में लिया जा रहा है? विंड के बारे में है. सो विंड विल बी अवर सब्जेक्ट. एंड विंड क्या हो रहा है? व्हाट इज द एक्शन ऑफ दैट विंड? इट इज ब्लोइंग. दैट मीन्स it will be predicate, that is the action of that subject. Now the little boy and his mother sat down to have their lunch. So that sentence is given about whom? About the little boy and his mother. So that is the subject, and what they are doing, what they are acting, they are sat down to have their lunch. That means they are having their lunch. So that is the action of their subject. So that means it will be a predicate. Now you have to solve that sentences. You have to read the sentences, then circle the subject in each sentence. You have to circle the subject in each sentence. That means if we will take that first sentence, so which is the subject, you have to circle that subject and you have to underline the remaining predicate. That means you have to circle the subject here and underline the predicate.